Hello everyone! Welcome back to our mini vlog!
For today,
We are gonna do unboxing.
yes, guys. Alright, so guys, for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng ating mga order from La.
Zara!
Yes, guys. So, meron na tayong mga na-unbox dito. Ito ay yung shoes ng asawa ko. At ewan ko ito mga, basta meron na mga na-unbox. So, ito na lang ang natira. Alright. So, ayan guys. So, kararating lang namin from church.
Yes.
Ayan.
And after we eat from
Yes.
McDonald's.
Yes guys, so ayan, so mag-unboxing ulit tayo. At ayan, so sisimulan na natin guys. Let's go! Alright, so sisimulan natin sa, ito na-open ko na pala to guys.
It is origami.
Ito ay origami na gamit ko sa aking worka. So ayan siya guys, so hindi pala siya dual hindi pala siya, yung ba guys, two-sided na origami. So, ang mahal dito nasa mga
Okay.
160. Kasama na yung niya. So, 160 siya guys. Kasi 159 point something. So, ayan. Ayan. So, galing pa talaga itong China. Kung alam ko lang, ang layo pala ng pa. Pero okay na lang din na isa ang binili ko. Kasi nag-try nga ako. Kasi hinahanap ko talaga is yung dual na or two-sided na origami. Kasi gamit na gamit siya guys sa klase ko. However, walang ganito. Walang two-sided na nahanap ko. Nung last time din na nag-order ako, hindi rin siya two-sided. So, buti na lang, isa-isa lang ang in-order ko. Tinatry ko lahat ng mga seller. Wala pa akong nahanap na two-sided. Next natin guys, yung maliit pa din.
I wanna...
Okay? Be careful. So, ayan guys. Unboxing! Limutan ko na guys kung ano po. Alright.
Let's check it out.
Okay, you have to open another one.
Okay.
I will be. So, this is actually actually guys, parang to siya guys, ayan oh. Yung siya, yung sa, di ba, bottle ng, limbawa kung anong yan. So, bottle siya guys, tapos pang lock siya. So, nandito kasama, yung parang, I don't know kung anong tawag doon. Basta pang lock siya. Alam niyo yung, di ba, magbubukas tayo ng mga pagkain natin naka-bottle. So, doon natin open muna. So, ayan siya, oh. I forgot lang kung anong tawag nito guys. Basta pang siya. So, doon na-play na. So, ayan, 200 pieces ito lahat.
Okay guys.
200 pieces.
Okay guys.
Ang lock ko guys, kasi may business nga akong itatayo. Tatayo. Akin na anak.
Next, let's open this.
Not that one, this one. Oh. This one.
Okay,
mo.
let me open it. Wait, where's the scissors?
Parang alam.
Where's the scissors? Where's the scissors?
I don't know.
Oh. Let me do it, please. Me. Oh, this is just so easy to open.
Okay. We're just unboxing presents. Okay.
What is bro?
Okay, be careful, be careful. Ayan. Dumating na. Dumating na guys na in-order ko. Colorful knife.
Scissors. They maybe
Yan,
come
guys,
with
ha?
the scissors.
Yeah, there is.
Wait, I want to see. I want to see. I'm so excited.
Sinadya ko itong bilhin para pag nagbablog, parang nagbablog kami ng anak ko guys. And then, yeah, pag nagluluto kami, hindi siya kasi malalaki ang
Oh.
knife namin. Malalaki ang knife namin, so, bumili ako ng, be careful, be careful. So, wait muna.
Oh
Be careful
my
ha.
God.
Oh my God, it's sharp.
Oh my
No,
God.
only mami.
No, give
Oh my
it.
gosh. Stephen, stop it. Oh. Ay, wag na pala ipakita. Sorry. Wag na pala natin ipakita, guys. Baka maano tayo ni Daddy Mets. Oh, meron siyang pang ganyan. Meron
Like a
akong ganito.
murderer.
Meron tayong
Scissors.
Kung ni mga... Actually, meron na rin akong ganito.
Wait.
Pero maganda kasi siya, guys.
Oh.
Please don't show it. Kasi
It is
bawal
a
yun. Bawal kay Daddy
scissors.
Mets. At meron ding ibang mga ganyan. Basta, guys, ito yung
It's a
ibang klase.
murderer
Ang ganda, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100 plus lang nabili ko nito, guys. Di ba? Ang ganda. Give me the box. Hindi ko na isa-isa yung pakita, guys, ha. Kasi baka mamaya paano tayo ni
Daddy Mets will fire you.
Stop it.
Okay, this
Okay.
one.
And next, this one, this one.
Bro. Let me do it, please. Mr. Beast. Wait, maybe this is easy. I don't even need a scissors. Meh.
Can you just close it here?
Okay. Okay, I guess. Okay, Dargo.
Ito na yun siya, guys. Ano ba to? Made in China. O, tara. O, ito na nga. Yan siya, guys. Yay!
Wow.
And you
Looks
get
like a
one
cup.
bottle inside the big box.
Wait.
Under the chair. So, ito yun siya, guys. Oh. Yan, dumating na siya.
This is a big, heavy boy.
Be careful. Why you bring that big one?
You said-
I thought only one bottle. Okay, put it here. Only one bottle. Naloka naman ako sa'yo eh. Bottle natin, guys. So, halimbawa siya, guys. Ito, try natin. Hala, parang maliit siya. Ano ba ito? Ah, okay, sakto na. Ganyan siya kasi, guys. Oh, ilalagay na. Yun, hindi pa siya.
I know.
Okay, kasya na. So, pang ano to eh, pang 12 mm. Wait lang, guys. Tumayos. Ah, ayan siya. Tapos ito naman yung pang-init. Parang gan siya na. Shhh, para mag-close talaga siya, guys. O, tignan nyo. Ah, diba? Pang-lock. Inaantay ko lang ang level. Ang level. Buti pa itong may bottle, may level. Pero kayo, yes, walang level. Walang level.
Get this
Dahil
big boy
walang
out of here.
forever. So, ayan siya.
Mommy,
Bahan.
you just show everyone the secret. What could you have done? That your next will fire you.
And next,
This.
okay, that one.
Hey, this one.
Come here, you have to show. Ano kaya yan? Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yan.
It's color green. It's color green. Okay.
Color green? I'm gonna help you. Ah, okay. I
Now I know who Daddy Mitch is. Daddy
Sabi mo,
and
Daddy
Mitch.
Mitch.
So that means Daddy.
Ibigay mo na ang sahod namin. Okay. Ito naman, guys.
Wait.
Para
Wait,
easy na magano.
I know this. I know this.
It's garlic and ini. Ay, wala siyang ano. Ah, ito. Ching, ching.
Whoa.
Guys.
I wanna try.
That's for the garlic. To chop the garlic.
How about other fruits?
Yeah. Okay.
It
Ito na.
sounds weird.
It's color green because it's my favorite. So,
This bad boy. Open this little boy.
ano kaya to?
Ooh.
Ano to?
Ito sa wow.
Ouch. No, ito na to. Ah, okay. I
Wait,
remember.
wait,
It's
wait.
Korean food.
Bruh. You're obsessed with Korea now. You wanna go to China or Korea?
Korea.
You wanna go to Korea or China? So that you have a new family?
Do you want me to have another family?
No, I was just kidding.
No, do you want me to have another family?
Yeah.
Do you want me?
Yeah!
Do you want?
Because you're...
You don't want me to be your man?
Pila, laka, pika, laka.
Boom, shikala. Shalalala. Wait lang. Oh, ito na yung sabi ko sa tingin. Meron pa kaming seaweed pero bumili ako ng ang mahal nito. Ilan lang ang laman? Ay, ganun.
No. Where is this?
Ah, 10 lang.
Oh, I accidentally.
Nasa 185 yata to. 10 lang laman. Tapos,
Wait, what is this?
Bulldog.
Wait, what is this?
dahil magmumukbang tayo guys ng Japanese, ng Korean food. Bumish ka lang. La 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 la. Charot. Okay na.
Okay, what is this?
Na, give me.
What
this one.
is
This one, guys, is yupoki. Yupoki. I don't know how to pronounce it properly.
My
But it's a
God.
rice cake, sweet and spicy to. Ah, bakit yupoki tapos tupuki?
Okay.
Guys, because
Come
we're
this
going
story.
to eat. We're going to mukbang Korean food.
Now you're obsessed with
Boom,
Korea.
shakala.
You're
Shalala.
gonna go to another country soon.
Of course, I'm not. I want to go to other countries just to have a vacation. Do you want it?
Also with the
I go.
Jesus.
Personally. Aha, I know this.
Me too.
Can you guess what is this?
It's a toothbrush.
It's not a toothbrush.
It is.
It's not.
It's a toothpaste.
No. Whoa.
Are you kidding
Guys,
me right now?
this is Korean pampaputik na Colgate daw, sabi. Give me. Let's get a show them first.
Open the little bro.
Shining white. Korean to, guys. Boom, shikala.
Bangalangalang. Now I will.
Ano nga lang? Boom, shikala.
La 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 la.
Gawin mo, galangal. Sinira mo naman ang moment ko. Ano? Galangal. Laki na yung galangal. Look guys, what we have here, we have shining white. Korean product daw to, guys. Pero English naman siya. Ekyong. Nakita ko na. Korean siguro talaga siya. White toothpaste. Toothpaste. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys. Buksan natin. Ang white na to pag pumuti ang ngipin ko nito, guys. Puti naman ang ngipin ko. You show them. Boom, shakala. Shangalangala. Ready?
La la
Go.
la la.
Boom, shakala. At hindi na ako mag-ano, guys. Advertise dito. Kapag pumuti ang ngipin natin dito, guys. Advertise natin ito.
Micho, I want to get a laka.
Manda ka ikyong. Boom,
Let me see.
shakala.
Boom shakala.
Boom, shakala. Shangalangala.
Nagiging kanan si Mami.
Boom,
Kala.
boom, shakala.
La 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 la.
Shangalangala.
La 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 la.
Ang kulgit lang to eh.
Mommy,
Wait lang, wait lang.
Mommy, see? Let me smell, let me smell. It does.
Boom, shakala. Shangalangala.
Can I brush my teeth again?
No, I'm not sure if this is okay for kids.
Hey!
I need to read it first.
I'll send you to Jagalaga.
Three parts. Tartar, twin stiff. I'm not really sure. Manufacturer. Ikyong Industrial Co. Ltd. Chongyoing. Chonggoyro. Because this is Korean. Chonggoyro. Gyeongshan. Neon. Chongyangwon. Chongnam, Korea. Now, this product was manufactured, made in Korea nga siya nakita.
I want to see, I want to
Wait for a moment! Ito, may kasama tayo ng bata. White and strong daw keeps the inside of the mouth clean. This refreshing feeling in the mouth prevents tooth decay. Blablabla. Made in Korea. Nakita ko na Eknyong. Eknyong, alam mo na, kapag bumiti, ang ngipin ko nito ay having a bright white smile with shining white teeth. Hindi naman maano ang ngipin ko, guys. Pero syempre, kailangan natin linisin. So, bumili ako nito. Kasi ang mahal ng guys, sa Pagadian, guys, kayang-kaya yung pagpalinis, pagpaano doon. Kayang-kaya yung bayad doon sa mga dentista. Pag dito sa Maynila, guys, ang mahal. Linis, ang mahal. Kung gagastos ka ng 3,000.
Guys, you know what?
Hindi ganun ka.
There's no toothpaste.
6,000 to 5,000.
Wait,
Okay.
you know what, guys? There's no this toothpaste in Manila, but in Korea, I mean.
Bakit in Korea? Pero may Korea.
What Korea?
Made in Korea.
Yeah, that's what it said. Korea. So if you buy this and then you brush your teeth, it will make it shiny like the sun. Shiny like the sun. Yeah,
So that's why you have to clean. I mean, use this one. Maganda siya.
steady brush.
Try natin. Try ko mamaya. Sakto, hindi pa ako nag-brush, guys. Galing kami sa labas kumain.
What? Can
I think,
Can,
wala namang bawat
can I toothbrush again? Can I?
Yeah. But I'm not pretty sure that if it is okay for the kids.
Hey,
I'm going to read first.
I'm gonna say the Korean words again. That was funny. Okay. It's a silent night. What happens to mommy?
Wait lang, guys. This one. It says here, this toothpaste contains 1,000 ppm of fluorine. So be careful not to swallow the product contents. You have to listen and thoroughly rinse your mouth after use. So if you notice that any abnormal symptoms, such as damage to the gums or the inside of the mouth, discontinuous use and consult a doctor or a dentist. If a child age under 6 uses the toothpaste, use a pea-size amount per use only and monitor the child not to lick or swallow the toothpaste. If the child age under 6 swallow an excessive amount, immediately consult a doctor or a dentist. Avoid this bata. Keep out of reach of children age under 6 or 7. No,
That's
6. So 7, do not use for purposes other than to brushing. So thoroughly wash your bakit wash your eyes? Siya nga lang. Wash your teeth with running water if exposed to the product contents. Consult a doctor with any abnormal symptoms.
Oh!
Alright, so Ekyong, made in Korea. I'm not sure if Ekyong. Alright, that's all guys. Ito, 10 lang. Gagawin natin kung ano guys. Marami na kasi siyang magawa.
I've seen this
Nakakatcha dito
in
yung-
mukbangs. Mommy, I've seen these in mukbangs.
Iba yung yaki sushi, no?
Yeah.
Yaki sushi.
What now?
Yaki
What
sushi.
now?
Seaweed.
Real again.
Shakalak. Wahak. Shangalangalang.
No, it's la la la
Anyways,
la.
guys, thank you very much for watching today. So, I think that's all for today. So, okay, guys, ano sabihin mo? Okay, what do you want to say? Ito, guys, I'm excited to try this one.
Me too.
But this is spicy.
Me too, boy. Me too.
And rice cake and sauce with it. Fill 20 ml of water to the red line outside. Stir well and partially cover the cup. Okay. So, yeah. I'm so excited to try. Ano, bulba. Na-try ko na to guys, nung nag-mukbang kami ng asawa ko. Yung spicy. Meron dito 3 times spicy pero hindi ko siya in-order. Galing pa ako nito ng... Saan ang box ito? Saan ang box ito na? Yung malaking box, can I have that one?
What?
The big box ba? For this one. For this one. This one. Galing pa to ng... galing pa talaga siya ng ano? Wait lang. So, for today's video, okay, so that's all for today, guys.
I'm
And
so
guys,
excited to eat this.
yes, kung meron kayong gustong i-recommend, guys, or i-suggest na next na i-vlog namin, please comment down below para magawa namin. Yes, para pagsikapan namin magawa, guys. Well, anyways, guys, that's all for today. And please don't
Mommy,
forget to...
it says ramen.
Yeah, ramen. And don't forget, guys, you have to invite me.
Follow and comment what next should we unbox. You want the big one? The big Papa. This
You open it
giant
already.
thing?
Uy. So, that's all for today, guys. And thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you will continue to support us in our vlog. And
And
yes, guys,
follow.
my mission coming
Follow,
soon.
please.
Thank you so much.
And follow, please.
Yes, please follow. And I love you all. Thank you. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.
Mwah.